Welcome and thanks for scheduling your in-home consultation with OHi. We're thrilled to have the chance to connect with you. Our goal is to ensure you have the best possible experience, and we understand that you might have a few questions. In this video, we'll walk you through what you can expect during your complimentary consultation with our team. So let's dive in. Our consultations typically last between half an hour and an hour, depending on the scope of work, which gives you plenty of time to ask any questions about our process, our experience, or your potential project. When we arrive, we'll start by introducing ourselves and getting to know you a little bit better. We really want you to share any challenges you're facing in your space, whether it's something like it's hard to cook when there's more than one person in the kitchen, or I just really dislike the color of my cabinets. Your insights are really invaluable to us. If you're unsure about your specific concerns, don't worry. Our team is here to guide you with a few questions that will help us uncover the best solutions for a fresh design that aligns with both your functional needs and your personal style. Next, we take a closer look at the areas you've mentioned, capturing some photos of the existing space and taking some measurements. If you're interested in moving forward, we can schedule a follow-up appointment to dive deeper into the details. We look forward to working with you and helping bring your vision to life.